Entura is a part of the Hydro Tasmania Group. It's a renewable energy consulting firm specialising in hydropower projects, dams and geotech, wind farms and battery storage. And we provide services mainly to Hydro Tasmania, but also to clients across the globe. When I first started here 5 years ago, we had quite a fragmented system. So we used things like Windows network drives, SharePoint, Dropbox, emails, and we really needed a solution that was going to have a single source of truth and defragment our systems and also allow folder structures, file naming conventions, start to comply with ISO 19650 with workflows, and hopefully in the future we're trying to get connectivity with our other CDEs that Hydro Tasmania own. So the implementation of 12D Synergy, we started on small projects, on a couple of small dam upgrades, started to learn the software, develop some training, induct a few people, and then set up our folder structures, our file naming conventions, permissions, and those sorts of things. And once those smaller projects were done and everyone was happy, we started to scale it up. We bought another 20 licences and another 20 licences and another 20 licences, and we used it on our major billion-dollar projects. 12D Synergy has helped Entura collaborate with all our remote staff. We've got offices in Asia and also other parts of Australia. We've also got a lot of people working from home. So having a single platform where we can see who's got files checked out, what changes, versions have been done, where they are in the suitability in the ISO workflows has been a real positive advantage for us.
It was instantaneous. The moment we started using 12D Synergy, the working group realised it's going to be a game changer. The ability to have less crashes and less downtime or rework because of authoring tools working across a network and with network instability, that was obvious. Moving to a flexible workflow and flexible location working because of the COVID pandemic, that was the second obvious. It was a game changer in that respect because we could have people working from home seamlessly and still continue to deliver for clients whilst no one was in the office collaborating face to face. I think from a recruiting perspective, it's critical for a company to have a quality CDE that's going to help them recruit top talent. People who are looking for a company to work for, they want to know that they have tools in place that's going to make their lives easier. For me, 12D Synergy is one of those tools, and I think it was a key factor in me coming to Entura.
Yeah, I would highly recommend 12D Synergy to other businesses in the industry for the similar reasons that Entura have adopted 12D Synergy as its CDE. As we're heading towards a digital engineering future, it's essential that all firms are on a CDE and are working towards an ISO 19650 future.